Ciao, my name is Cheryl. Welcome back. Hello, my beautiful little, I don't fucking know, viewers. That's not a very special word, but that's okay. Last time on Bowser's Fury, I got 5 shines on Fort Flaptrap and on Scamper Shores. So for my next move, I will be getting all of the shines on Pounce Bounce. So let's head for it. Oh, this feels very familiar. I feel like we've been here before. Because we have. That's okay. Alright, this is new. Ooh, where are we going? Let's see. Whee! Oh god. Okay. Whee! Nice. Now where am I going? That way. That way. Let's go here. Alright. Anything else? Nope. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Nope. There we go. Ooh. Nice. I haven't found the Bowser blocks yet, so that's unfortunate. I can't race to them. Whee! Boing. Whee! Oh, I missed them. Ooh. Let's make that lighthouse light up, boy! Sweet! Let's see. Do you know about snapshot mode? It's a great way to capture memories during your adventure. Just press down to freeze the action and take some snapshots. Boing. Oh. I don't think I'll ever use that. Let's go get that thing that I've been trying to get for the past 8 years. Nope, that doesn't do anything. What do we gotta do? Oh, we gotta spin it. Here we go. Up we go! Oh, that's funny. It looks like the snake boss that you had to climb. That's pretty clever. Ooh. There's a Bowser Jr. thing right there. Okay. Let's go there. Whoa! It's very yellow in here. Even Mario is yellow. Oh, I'm invincible. Let's see what this does. Ah! Whoa, that was pretty useless. I'm sure there was a use for something somewhere, but I didn't see it. Oh, look at that. Hurry, jump high, jump fast. That's not very helpful. Oh, now it is. Got it. Alright. I have 20 seconds to do this. Okay. Can do. That was easy. You've collected 15 cat shines. A message is ringing out from the Gigabell. When the beast awakens, so shall I. Sweet. I'll take that. Where's that other mini I saw? Oh, it was right there. Let's see if I can have Bowser Jr. get it for me from here. Where is it? Huh? What? Where is it? Oh. Okay. Let's see if I can see it better from this ear. Nope. Haha! That's awesome. I haven't seen any. Oh, there's the last mini. These were the easiest minis to find by far. It is. Easy. I should have waited until Bowser woke up to do that. To chase him away. Oh well. Oh. That's right. Okay. Whoa! Woohoo! I'm not seeing any Bowser Fury blocks anywhere. Or am I just stupid? Hey, I found him! Nice. Did I break him? Yes, I did. Sweet. Alright, one more. Now let's leave and come back so I can see the name of the last shine so I can actually get it. Key. Oh boy. Another key finding. Let's do it. Key's probably here. Nope. Or is it here? Nope. Where else we got? Last time we had a key thing. Where I had to get a key. It was like way out in the obvious, so... Aw, I missed. No! No, I hate everything. Oh my god, that cat! Aww. Down I go. I am not seeing the key anywhere. Eee, god! Looks like I have to actually jump my way to the lighthouse. Boo! I was seeing if there was a shortcut anywhere. There we go. I can't go in it. That sucks. Look at that. Oh, it hurt me. Oh, it's hurting me consistently. That's not good. Where's the stupid key? Oh man, I'll just fight. Never mind. Why is it all gooped up? I have 4 of them. I don't see no goddamn key nowhere. Oh my god, I see it. 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 There we go. Oh, yes. Oh, it took my copter away. Oh, there we go. Sweet. And there's my flag. I wanted to get up here so I could look for the key. That was the whole point, but I already found it, so there's no point anymore. Ah! There really is nothing else for me to do now. Wait, I unlocked the ice world. Alright, I'm gonna go there then. I forgot all about it. Come here, Plessy, my best friend. Let's take a ride. Oh, Bowser's almost here. Never mind. I'll fight Bowser. Unlock more worlds for me to not do for another year. Ow. Here we go. Time to fight. Ooh. Ew. Leaving a trail behind. That's really unsanitary. Oops. What's even the point of being a giant Super Saiyan lion if I can't smack him? Oh my god, I'm gonna die here. No! Oh, it lets me try again. Looks like Bowser Jr. has more to say. Arg! I can't believe he ran away again. I mean, Dad's the best at everything. Of course he knows when it's time to retreat. This Gigabell is all splotchy again. We need more cat shines. Shut up. Maybe we'll find some hidden on the islands we've already visited. Are you kidding me? There's more? Okay, I've completed them all. I need Plessy, my best friend. So, I watched back my footage, obviously, while I was editing it, and I saw one of those coin frog things here that I didn't see, but I don't see it now, which is very odd. There it is. Idiot. Oh my god, they're chilling. They're just chilling. And I'm gonna ruin their day. Alright. Ooh, a button. I want to press the button. Yes. Whoa. Woo! Okay, and you. That was easy. Call that a challenge? Cold Cove Combat. That's a good one. What is that? Okay, up we go. Whee! Slip, skate, slope. Make the lighthouse shine. Nah. Shoe! Haha. Shoe time. Oh, I lost my shoe. Oh, it comes back immediately. Sweet. Oh, I missed it. That sucks. Ooh. Oh no! Well, that sucked. You've collected 20. Gigabell. Wow. That was immediate. What is that? Plessy ring. Ruins Gigabell. Oh! There's another Gigabell here. I gotcha. Sad cat. How many kittens you missing, little sad cat? 3 this time, huh? Alright. I shall find them for you. Is that one over there? Ew, the Koopas look weird with ears. Ew! They're nasty. Woo! God. Stop. I need those trees to get up there. Oops. I didn't mean to destroy the second one. Oh well. Alright, Plessy ring. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a little race course. Oh god. I'm probably gonna suck at it. Oh, it goes all the way over there. Alright, let's do it. 20 seconds! Oh god. Oh god. Oh! That was the scariest 20 seconds of my life. Oh. That didn't do much. Let's try that again. Oh! Oh. I'm a little busy right now. Can you wait? Here we go. No! There we go. All that for that? Really? Let's go back, Plessy. Bowser's throwing a fit. Oh, this is gonna suck. It's not that bad. Oh, that was actually pretty easy. I'm gonna get those little minis that I missed before. Is that one I missed? Oh, no, God. Oh, oh. And there's that one. Sweet. Let's go figure out what that is over there. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, do you have to kill them all? Oh, that's gonna suck. Alright, I can do that. There we go. Key to the cat shine. Okay, I gotta find a key again. Hey, give me one of those. Thanks. B. There's the key. Oh. Where's the tube? There are no tubes. Where's the... Do I seriously have to manually carry it all the way back there? Do if I want to run, though. Oh, there's a path. This is nifty. Figured that out on complete accident. Oh. No! No! Oh my god. Oh. Is this where I want to be? Whoa. I see. No! Keep the go. Oh. One or the other, man. Oh! Oh my god! Let's do that again. B. Does this? Where does this go? Ooh. A special cat bell. Still don't know what the difference is. Mario has a collar now, that's about it. Won't fall for it again. That's how close I was. Here we go. Cool. Alright, there's one more. Blast the Fury blocks. Okay, could have guessed. Could have guessed. I just have to find out where the Fury blocks are. I feel like I saw them, and I totally just blanked out on them. Where would they be? They're not just at the very end, are they? That would be boring. Well, Bowser's waking up, so I better find him fast. Oh god. Not here. Oh, there's Fury blocks there. Load up, boy. See that? He turns into a lucky cat. I get coins for doing this. Also, how do I... Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I hate everything. Bruh, they were right there. Do I just get infinite coins out of this? What the f- I want this in real life. Look how straight-faced he is. I think I just get infinite coins. Hold on, let me go to the top of that. Bruh, are you serious? Where's the highest I can... Up there. I want a ground pound from up there. That would be fun. Alright, that's on my bucket list. What the heck is this thing? Oh, fling. Whoa! Where can that take me? Oh, over there, I see. Yeah, while we wait for Bowser, let's go somewhere else. Whee! Clash with Cat Boom Boom. They made Boom Boom into a cat? No way.
But how do I get inside?
How do I get in? How do I get in? Oh. I figured out how to get in. Uh-oh. Wow. They literally just put cat ears on him. I like how it's just the default world music. It's not even like Mario boss fight music. This is fun. Bowser Jr., stop it! Boom Boom is like your brother or whatever. Why would he be excited about that? Oh, whatever. I'm not here to question the logic of a Mario game. Got rid of some goop over- What is that? Let's go see what that is immediately, because I'll forget otherwise. Oh, it's a bunny! A really shiny bunny. Let's go see the shiny bunny. Hey, Plessy, take me to the shiny bunny, please. No, it's not that far away. Oh. My god. He is a speedy boy. Yee! Aww. I lost any gain I had on him. That sucks. Go, 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 go! Oh! Whoops. It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Woohoo! I made it! There's another fling stick, there's a mini over there, and the lighthouse is here, but I can't get into it for some odd reason. Mini, there's two more. Where could they possibly be? Where could there be two more? That's dumb and stupid. That's stupid and dumb. Get smacked with your kin, idiot. I'm angry. Oh my god. There's a hidden cat. What are those? Oh, they're cat sharks. Hi, kitty, come meet. Oh god. Never mind. Now that the Bowser stuff is out, let's see if my search for the other two minis goes any better. Oh, never mind. We were waiting for Bowser to wake up so we could smash these blocks over here. Duh. I can't remember anything ever. Yay, God! Sweet. Where does this go? Oh my god, what is this? Whoa. Don't know what the point of that was. Is that another Plessy thing? What is that? It's just a cat bell in the middle of the ocean. That makes sense. I did want to see what this was, too. Oh my god, there's so many pigeons. Get out of here. Oops. Don't talk about that. Damn, Bowser Jr., that was ruthless. Those are the ones that I need to explode. The sad kitty mama. I found one of your kitties, kitty mama. Let me go get it. How am I gonna get the cat across the water? That doesn't make any sense. Guess I'll see when it happens. Maybe they swim.
Come here, baby.
It did not follow me. Can I pick him up? Oh, I can. It doesn't like it at all. Nope. It despawned. Oh, but I can jump. Okay. Alright. Oh my god, the cat breaks blocks for me. That's awesome. It probably fights for me too. Where's your mama? Over here. Here you go. There's one. Still sad. Oh. Oh, you know what? There's more jumping platforms. There's probably a cat all the way over there. Oh, before I go too far, blocks that I need to break are... Ouch. Over here. Bowser. Bowser. Come here, please. Bowser? Oh my god. What the freak? Oh god. Oh, that would have been my death. And I would have been very upset. Alright, I got all 5. Finally. What else? What else? Where did I want to go? Over there. Where there could be more kitties. Yeah, they're cat sharks. That's silly. There's a shine out in the open over here. So close yet so far. Trickety Tower. Oh, I guarantee you I go to touch it, it'll fly away. Oh, that's no fun. We'll do that later. Is that a cat? No, it's a pigeon. Everything has cat ears, so it's so hard to tell. I'm not seeing any kitties over here. Oh. I know what I want to do. As a final hoorah, I'm gonna go up there. What is that? What are you doing out in the open? Oh, 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 God. Alright. I didn't expect it to be that slippery. I thought it was the shine that was moving. And then I saw in the background that the island was also moving. And I was like, what? Boing. I'm still focused on getting over there. The really, really tall place. There's a kitty! Is it a calico? How the heck am I gonna get the... That does not make any sense. Oh my god, do I have to take the iceberg all the way back there? Oh, that's awesome. I am only focused on getting to the top. I don't care about anything else. Oh god, this is gonna suck if I fall. Oh man. Oh, what the... How? Are you kidding me? Hold on. Are these... Oh. I forgot I could even be a Tanuki. Oh! No! Actually, that was quite high. I could just get back up there and try it. Down it goes. Wow. He went pretty far. Alright. I said this was plenty high for now, so let's see. I can land down there. Alright, here we go. Coin time. Whoop-bah! Wow. That is ridiculous. It just gives me infinite coins. Are you kidding me right now? It's kind of OP. I said that was the final hoorah, but I lied. I'm gonna go see about that cat. Yep, it's a calico. Alright. Now, let's take this Calico to its mama. Dang it, Bowser's probably gonna oh god! Don't fall off, don't fall off. Oh, you stunned it. Alright. That works for now. Oh god. Alright, I was safe. Oh, but I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up to save it from drowning. No! God. That sucks. Hey, a mini. Oh, but I can't get it. There we go. Okay. There's a lot of chaos going on. Ouch! Oh. Oh, this sucks. Nope, 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 nope. Nopey, nopey, nope. I don't think so. Get me out of here, Plessy. I'm scared. Oh, God. Oh, God. Now that is definitely where I'm going to end it. Holy crap. That got a little chaotic at the end there. I am so sorry that you had to witness me be a dumbass. As if I'm not a dumbass on this channel 24/7. But that's for you to decide, I guess. Anyway, please leave a like, a subscribe, and a comment. Last time we did favorite cat breed, this time we'll do favorite dog breed. Why not? Pick a favorite dog breed out of these. Maybe make one up. I don't care. Tell me down below about your doggies. Because as much as I love kitties, I also love doggies too. I've got a couple of my own doggies. And with that, I say, arrivederci.